Here I want to look at a couple of application problems that involve multiplying decimals. The first one says, if I buy 8 pounds of apples at 98 cents per pound, how much must I pay? All right, so the idea here is, we have this unit price of 98 cents per pound, but if I buy 8 of those pounds, then I know that I need to multiply that unit price by 8. So what we need to do here is take 0.98 times 8. So I'll go ahead and set this up as vertical multiplication. I'm putting 0.98 on top because it has more digits than 8. And remember, we count up the number of place values to the right of the decimal. So there are 2 in this number, and of course 0 in this number, giving us a total of 2. And then we multiply as if this was 98 times 8, so 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 6 is 78. And so we need to move the decimal point back 2 places. So I know that I am paying $7.84 total. And of course, don't forget your label when you are doing an application problem like this. So make sure that $sign makes it onto your answer. Another example here is if your car gets 27.3 miles per gallon on the highway and you know you use 7.3 gallons of gas driving on the interstate, how many miles have you traveled? Okay, so you have this many miles per gallon. So it's kind of like in the last problem. We had dollars per pound. Now we have miles per gallon. And then we know that our number of gallons is 7.3. Right? So I'm going to multiply by how many gallons I actually used to figure out the total number of miles driven. So this is 27.3 times 7.3. I have 1 decimal point here, 1 place to the right of the decimal here. So that'll give me a total of 2 when it's all said and done. But for now I'll ignore those decimals and just multiply. So 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And then put a 0 here. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 2 is 51. And then 2 times 7 is 14, plus 5 is 19. So we add those together. We have a 9, a 2, a 9, a 9, and a 1. And then we realize we need to take the decimal point back 2 places. So our answer here is we have gone 199.29 miles. Again, remembering our label.